So this is how to buy Litecoin crypto here in Canada using Robinhood. So once you guys open up Robinhood, at the very bottom there's three different options. Select the one in the middle of the magnifying glass icon once you're here at the top where it says search by name or symbol. Just start going ahead and typing in Litecoin, or you can type in ticker symbol LTC as well. Either one will work, and then select it. Once Litecoin is selected at the bottom where it says buy, you can then select buy. Then on this page, you can go ahead and go to the top right to select the type of order. So you can do a market order in Canadian dollars or a market order in Litecoin. I will just stick to market order in Canadian dollars for this video. Then you can type in the amount of Litecoin that you want to purchase. So if you wanted to do $4 worth, for example, you would type in 4 and then press on review. Then you can review the order so you can see the amount of Litecoin that you're purchasing, the fees, as well as the cost. And if this looks good and you want to proceed, go to the bottom and swipe up to submit the order. So that is how you guys can buy Litecoin crypto here in Canada on Robinhood. Thanks again for watching and hope this helps.